Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is September the 14th, 2019, and I wanted to show you the corn harvest out of the hollow garden. Now, this is pretty much it for the corn, but you can see here now what makes the spots in it where the corn didn't fully develop is the husk did not get pollinated. So that's what makes your corn spotty on the corn cobs. So there's more down here in this bag here. And there's more over here in this bag. And I'll show you then what else we got. So we'll be right back. You can see the bags here are pretty full. So we do reuse our bags. So that's why you see that. As long as they don't have like chicken or pork or something like that in them, we go ahead and reuse our bags. So this is the Providence Triple Sweet. Now normally this stuff gets a lot bigger than what this is, but this is the end of the crop. These are like the seconds that came off of them. So normally they're a lot bigger than this. And if you look at some of the other harvest videos that I did on my channel, you'll see the larger ears. But these are small because they're the seconds. And here's some more peppers that were harvested out of the hollow garden. Now these were already cooked because we're eating them for stuffed peppers with supper tonight, so that's why they're cooked. The big yellow one there was just harvested today. And they smell really sweet and they smell really good. And I got a Mr. Stripey tomato off and got another tomato off. Now unfortunately down in the hollow garden it appears like the tomatoes got hit very hard with late blight, and we had sprayed them with neem oil and it seemed to have controlled it up for a little bit, and then we got rain and it just I think the only one that's pretty much left is Mr. Stripey that's still going. So that was really disappointing. We got away with it a lot longer than what most of the people did from what we're hearing. Most people lost their tomatoes a long time ago, and we even seen it driving. The tomato plants would just be completely gone and you just have tomatoes hanging on the stalks. So we got away with it a lot longer. But the neem oil did help to control it until it rained. And after it rained, that was it. We just didn't get to spray them again because it rained for a few days in a row and it just would have kept washing the sprays off. And this was the harvest today that I got out of the greenhouse. Now these are Mr. Stripey tomatoes. And I also got some early girls and I got some early treat hybrids. And there's a lot more tomatoes coming on out in the greenhouse. So I just wanted to give you this quick update here for what we're still harvesting. And so if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. Notifies when I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!